The story begins in a small village where lived four friends, Ali, Bilal, Sohail, and Shazia. Their childhood passed playing in the village dust, but their dreams were vast, with the village's tiny paths marking the beginning of their grand aspirations. Ali was the most mischievous and enjoyed joking around. He was always thinking of new pranks. Bilal had a serious disposition, but his friendship with Ali often landed him in trouble. Sohail, the smartest yet somewhat innocent boy, always engaged in calculations and planning, while Shazia was the cheerful girl who loved helping everyone. One day, Ali declared to his friends, "Guys, today we shall go to the village's biggest fair. But there's a condition. We will go with our pranks." Bilal queried, "Pranks? Ali, are you planning another mischief?" Ali laughed and replied, "Absolutely. But today, everyone should have fun, and whoever creates the most laughter will be crowned the fair's king." The four friends got ready for the fair. Ali wore his old shoes, which were a bit worn out. With every step, they creaked, making people laugh. Upon reaching the fair, Ali pulled his first prank, throwing a large candy box towards his friends. It hit Sohail on the head, who screamed loudly. Bilal and Shazia laughed, and Sohail exclaimed, "You guys are crazy. What are we doing?" Ali, still laughing, said, "That's the fun of the fair." Afterward, they began enjoying the rides. Ali hopped onto a ride, taking it at such speed it wouldn't stop. People screamed, and Shazia clasped her hands and wished, "I hope this ride stops." But for Ali, it was the most thrilling moment. After having fun, they explored the various stalls at the fair. Ali mischievously splashed water on everyone's shoes to make the rides more exciting. Suddenly, Ali's old shoe completely gave out, causing him to fall straight into a large water tub. Everyone burst into laughter. Ali laughed at himself, saying, "This fair is something else." Shazia then suggested, "Enough now, we should also enjoy some food and drinks." They agreed to taste the famous spicy fritters of the fair. As Ali ate, he balanced a big piece on his nose, shaking it in front of everyone. People chuckled until they got tired. Bilal remarked, "By God, Ali, you're indeed the king of this fair." As the lights lit up in the evening, the friends headed to the tallest tower of the fair. Ali proposed, "Look, let's climb to the top and view the village." Upon reaching the tower, Ali started a new game. He untied everyone's shoes and tossed them below. The shoes hit the ground and scattered. People looked on in surprise. Sohail shouted, "Stop it now, Ali. End this game." Ali, still laughing, replied, "That's where the fun is." Back at the lake's edge, the friends sat reminiscing. Ali said, "It was indeed a memorable day." Shazia advised, "Yes, but next time be a little careful."